Hello there! In this video I will show you the DBJourney Essential Cotton Tote. A simple first generation product from DBJourney. First, the packaging. As usual, everything is nicely packaged and has arrived without any damage. With a price tag of 30 euros it's quite affordable. Because it's a first generation, I'm unsure if the product will still be available as you watch this video. When I bought this bag, I was seeking for a small, easy to carry bag inside my larger DBJourney bag. Besides the matching aesthetic with the other DBJourney products, the quality also feels pretty good. It's a nice and thick cotton. The product is well finished, which gives me the impression the bag will last a long time and can carry some weight. It's an easy bag to take along when shopping or for carrying some sports gear. The stitching is of very good quality as well. I found this bag ideal to carry inside my larger bag. Thanks for watching the video.